Okay, moving on to the second template, which is a title over a darkened photo. We're gonna do a few things in a specific way here. So first I need to show you, when I click on this and I click on position, it shows me that what I had actually clicked on was kind of this semi-opaque black layer. This is what I use to artificially darken the photo. We don't really want to mess with this. So for now, I am going to move that layer just by clicking and dragging below that placeholder frame. Because right now I just want to plop the new image in and then make it darker. So we're going to start doing that by doing that. All right, so now if you had gone back over here to the left to uploads, you would click upload file to find your file. Otherwise, I'm going to go open mine here. Let me see which one. This guy. Okay, so here I'm going to click that and drag it over and just plop it in here. Okay, so this is kind of a good example. I don't really like that the hand is right behind here. I think it's distracting. So I am going to resize that a bit and move it. I also don't like it when there's like this thin little part of the cabinet here. I don't like that it gets chopped off right there. So I'm gonna move that over. I'm gonna move this hand down a little bit. I think that looks nice to me. It's easier to read the kitchen. The hand is not interfering with my text. It's not getting chopped off in a weird way anywhere else. So I'm happy with that. Now I'm gonna go back to position and I'm gonna move that little black layer above it again. So see how that darkened it, and now it makes this text easier to read. Now the rest of it, this is just an editable text box. Here I might actually go back here real quick. I'm gonna lock these layers just so I don't mess them up. And I'm gonna lock this image so I don't accidentally move it while I'm working on this text. All right, I'll close that guy. All right, so here I want to edit my text. You can obviously just type in whatever text you want. You're going to change your font up here. Again, it'll show you which fonts I'm using in this document. I have a brand kit already in Canva, so these are the fonts that I use for my brand for Akula. This is not the Akula brand, but you can find your fonts. Again, you should be using, for these templates, I use 3 different fonts, so you should be using the same. So substitute this big script for whatever your title font is going to be. And then for your headlines, substitute that here and then use them consistently throughout. So all of the script is going to turn into, font number 1. All of this uppercase, it's called Unito Sans Expanded. You're going to replace that with one, and then again, you're going to swap that out consistently throughout. So that one was pretty straightforward.